That's how much water is dripping out of the flapper. Every 15-20 minutes it's got to fill the tank back up that far, so that's a lot of water to be wasting. Now, could there be another reason why water could be going out and leaking out of your tank? Well, there's one more thing. Down low below your flapper, down at the bottom, there's a gasket. You'll see there's a gasket down there, and sometimes if that's loose, you can reach in there and tighten it up. Now, there's a special tool that's needed for that. Let me, I'm going to shut the water to the toilet off right now. Okay, I'm going to flush this, get most of the water out. And let me just undo this flapper, and it only hooks on the side of two little nibs on each side of this pipe. Okay, but there's a gasket down here, and if this connection is loose, you might be able to tighten that up, and there's a special tool that goes down in there. There's 4 little notches in the pipe down here. Get a tool down there and twist it. If that's loose, you might be able to tighten that up, and that will tighten down the gasket down there. Now, usually that's not the reason why. It's usually the flapper, and this one feels tight. It's not loose, and so I'm pretty sure it's this flapper. Okay. Newsflash, you probably wanted to see that special tool, huh? That's the special tool right there. That's all it is. It's plastic, and see, it's got the little notches right there. You slip that right down into the toilet, and you take a ratchet, and with an extension end, you just put it in there and turn it, and that will tighten that up. Isn't that pretty slick? Now, not all toilets are created equal, so yours might not have this on the inside, but the particular toilet I was working on was a one-piece toilet. Now, with that one-piece toilet, of course, you can't tighten up a nut on the outside or anything like that, because the tank is part of the toilet bowl, thus a one-piece toilet. Okay, there it is. Gotta go for now, but I'll be back with more videos.